In the first part of this video, we learned how to obtain the least common denominator of 360. Now we're going to use it to solve this addition and subtraction. The first step is to take the least common denominator and write it as the denominator of our answer. So our answer, no matter what it is going to have a denominator of 360. The next step is to take the least common denominator, in this case 360, and we multiply it by every single fraction here, starting with 3 over 8. How do we do this multiplication? We multiply 360 times the numerator divided by the denominator. So 360 times 3 divided by 8 is 135, and we move it to our answer. We obtain that number by multiplying by the first fraction, so it is the first number in the numerator of our answer. Then we have the positive sign, we simply write it down, and now we multiply 360 times the second fraction, the 11 over 18. So 360 times 11 divided by 18, 220. It was the second fraction. We write it as the second number in the numerator. Then we have the minus sign. We also write it. And finally, we multiply the least common denominator, 360, times the last fraction, 4 over 15. 360 times 4 divided by 15, we get 96. And to the answer. It was the last fraction, it is the last number. And if we were to have more fractions, we keep multiplying the least common denominator by each following fraction, and then we just keep writing, keep respect of the signs, and the final step is add and subtract the numbers in the numerator. So 135 plus 220 minus 96 is 259. So the answer is 259 divided by 360. And this is how we add and subtract when we have a lot of fractions. This is going to work whether we have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times 100 fractions. This technique is going to work.